it comes to natatorium finishes, another thing to consider is your railing. Here we have unfinished stainless steel railing. It's important that this get cleaned on a regular basis in order for it to keep looking as good as this looks here. It's very easy for stainless steel railing to corrode, and when you have a multi-purpose pool, such as this one, where you have quite a bit of railing, it can be a bit of work to keep it all clean, but keeping it clean on a regular schedule is better than allowing corrosion to set in. In lieu of unfinished stainless steel, you could also go with a painted railing. There's a little less daily maintenance required for a painted railing, but it still needs to be maintained nonetheless. As the facility ages, whatever type of finish you have, in this case it's a cementitious finish, we're starting to see a little bit of staining build up here in this area of the pool. Completely normal for a facility of this age, which is about 4 years old in this case. An acid wash can bring this finish back to life, and get some more years out of it and return it to its original color. A cementitious finish though generally lasts about 10 to 12 years. So there's nothing out of the ordinary here, but we wanted to show you and highlight some of the things you can expect in your facility as it ages.
Hey there! I hope you enjoyed today's video. Tune in next Wednesday for the continuation of our series, and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon!